David, I need you to compare these two customer lists and identify any customers that appear in one list but not the other.
Okay, here's the customer list from May, and here's the new one for June. I think I will sort the list first, and then I can compare each row. How long is this list? Over 2,500 customers. This could take a few hours. Let's continue. This is a new customer. I will highlight it and continue on to the end of the list, checking the rows against each other.
3 hours later. David, you've created a list of new customers by comparing the lists manually, haven't you? Don't worry, most Excel users start that way. Can we show you a much quicker way?
This solution for comparing lists uses myself, COUNTIFs, together with my colleague, the IF function. First, I count how many times the name A. Joyce Jarvis appears in the range B4 to B 2002, which contains last month's customers. If she is an existing customer, her name will appear at least once, so the count will be 1. Unlike manual searching, this solution can check tens of thousands of customers automatically in seconds. And as you can see, the IF function and myself are not difficult to use, but we are very powerful. We can save you hours and hours of time every week.
David, can you update this customer file for me?
Hold on a second. All done.
Whoa, David, that was quick.
Whether you're looking to improve your own Excel skills or train an entire team, we've built a practical course for real-world Excel users. Our 6-level online program takes learners from beginner to advanced and now includes using Excel with AI, ensuring every skill level is covered. For businesses and universities, we support groups from 3 users to over 1,000. Managers can track progress, monitor results, and see team performance in real time. Course levels include online exams, and learners who achieve 75% receive an automatically generated CPD-certified Excel certificate. Individual and corporate group licenses available. Learn Excel. Work faster.